Yeah, welcome guys. So let's get into the charts. Okay. Now, what do you guys notice here? Market open with a gap. I think it's because of this chart. This chart is not showing it like a gap, but let's go to Wanda. Wanda, can you see? GPUSD opened with a gap to the downside here. So let me go to my other charts. So it's just showing like a bearish candle to the downside here, but it was a gap. The market opened with a gap. So I'm still anticipating price to still anticipating price to at least clear this guy here, this zone here. What I was thinking before was maybe price might actually move like this. Let me go to my 1 hour time frame. What I was thinking was maybe price might actually move this way. Okay, price might actually move this way, clear this guy here, and come down to this fair value gap for going up. That's what I was thinking. Maybe after price clear this guy here, then we can see a bearish move to the downside to fill up this fair value gap before price keep pushing to the upside. So let's see if this week we'll look on buying GBP USD, or let's just wait for resale. But let's get into the chart here. Let's go to the first time frame. Let's go to the first time frame here. Okay, the first time frame is a little bearish reaction from this zone here, but I'm still thinking price might actually clear this guys here before we can see any push to the downside. So let's see if we can see a buy zone. I'm not sure price might actually come here. I'm not sure. Let's see, because price has been consolidating in this area here. I'm still thinking price, like a trade we took, was it on Friday? Yeah, it was on Friday. It was this guy here. We took a trade on Wednesday. Yeah, it was on Wednesday. Took a buy here. I think we closed somewhere here. Then price came back here. We took a buy again. We closed somewhere here. So now I think maybe once price open, I don't know if we are going to take a buy here. Let me check my 2 hours time frame. Let's see if we can take a buy on GBP USD. Okay, this was the sell I took. Yeah, I took 3 trades last week. This sell, this buy, and this buy again. So price hasn't gotten to my full TP. This is my full TP here. So I'm thinking of riding a buy from this guy here to the upside. But I want market to, let's see what markets have for us. Let's still wait till maybe 12 after 12. Then I can drop a signal if they are buying or not. So no. Okay. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Still actually waiting for a buy. Let's see the 1 hour time frame. Okay. Okay, now fine. What I'm thinking here is price might actually come this way. Maybe come down to this guy here for going to my full TP. So let's see if price might actually come down to this side for taking out this guy here. Then maybe from this guy here, we can see a push to the downside, filling up this fair value gap before any buy continuation. So what I'll be expecting now is, let's see how price is going to react from this zone. I want to see price come back here to this guy here by before 12 or maybe by 12 or after 12 anytime. So we can ride a buy from this guy to this guy here. Then if price hits our stop loss, we can make sure we get another buy entry from this guy here. Because price might actually come down to this guy here before going up. This is another zone to buy. So this for GBP USD. Let's check Euro USD. Same thing as GBP USD. Okay, this for Euro USD. Euro USD, I'm expecting a sell to this guy here before price actually go up here. But then let's see what price have for us. What I'm thinking might actually happen is maybe we'll see a reaction from this guy to this guy. Maybe probably we can get something like this, something like this, something like this. Then, but let's see if what we'll be doing here with more of buys. But if we are buying GBP USD, then we should be buying Euro USD. Okay, I think there is a zone here. Let's go to 30 minutes. Let's see if this zone makes sense. Okay, let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. Well, this zone is making sense in the 15 minutes time frame here. So now what I'm expecting is I'm actually expecting price to come. See, price is coming down already. So I'm expecting price to come back to this zone here. Then just play around. I'll check the price action on this zone. Then I'll keep on riding the buys. For GBP USD, I can put my stop loss here. I'll put my stop loss. Let me see. Okay. I'll put my stop loss somewhere here. Then I'll target here. This guy here. This guy will be my then take profit. Let me delete this. This guy here be take profit. So let's see US oil. No, I don't want to go into US oil, but let's see. I'm actually expecting a sell on US oil. I don't know if price might actually come back to this zone here. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame. It's just that I don't really trade a lot of pairs, so but I can make analysis on them. So if you want to take your trade, it's just something you can just check them. You see if you should make your own research too. So I'm thinking price might actually come up here for selling. So let's see. I don't know what's wrong with the network. I don't know what's wrong with this network here. US oil. Should I just close this? Just confirm. So this is what I'm expecting on US oil. I'm expecting price to come to this guy here before selling, or price might actually keep on selling from here. But I think market open with gap, so we might actually see US oil maybe at this zone. I don't know. So let's see. Then for gold traders, for gold, what are we expecting on gold? Let's see. I'm just expecting a pullback, then a buy continuation. Yeah, a pullback to this guy here, then a buy continuation. So maybe probably you might just put a buy limit here. I'm not saying you should enter, but let's see. The stop loss can be this guy here. Then same zone here, just target the same zone. So you should expect maybe a retracement before a push to the upside. That's what I'm expecting on gold. Then for the DXY, that's the dollar index. Now market open with a gap, so I don't know where DXY is going to open because I think it's not up to 11 o'clock yet. Or is it 12? I think it's only currency pair that do show the gap now. Before you can see that gap, I think maybe it will be maybe past 11 or 12 because you can see those gaps on gold and US oil, DXY. So I'm thinking price might actually open here. Price might actually open somewhere here. This guy here. So I'm still expecting DXY to sell to this zone here. Meaning if DXY is sell, then we should expect buys on GBP USD, Euro USD, and gold. Let's see GBP JPY. I was actually thinking maybe we can trade GBP JPY last week, but I didn't drop the signal. GBP JPY almost hit my TPA. Core price reversed. I think this was news. So it almost hit my TPA. Then price reversed to this guy here. So I'm still expecting a sell on GBP JPY, a sell on GJ, and a buy on GBP USD. So let's see how this might like show up, but expect a signal from me this night. Yeah, because I'll look more on GBP USD or Euro USD. Any of them, I'll be dropping a signal, either Euro USD or GBP USD this night. I'm expecting price to come somewhere here for Euro USD can buy. So I'll look the price action before sending a signal. So this time it's not going to be a limit. It's going to be maybe an instant execution because I have to look at the price action before giving out signal. So let's wait till maybe past 11, 12, then or after 12, I should be able to send a signal on either GBP USD or Euro USD. So I think that's all for now. Any other thing, I'll let you guys know on the Telegram channel. Bye.